Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial I will show you how to be immune to projectiles or just not take damage. So go ahead and create a new file in the powers folder, and we're gonna name it no projectile.json. Okay, in here we are gonna do type modify damage taken, and in here we're gonna do condition, and here we're just gonna do type instead of damage condition, instead of condition, do damage condition. And in here we're gonna do type, and then we're gonna do projectile. That's our damage condition. Now go ahead and do another one, and let's just do modifier. So let's set the operation to addition, and we're gonna do the value to minus a bunch of numbers. And that's basically okay. So before we test out, go ahead and make sure to add it. So do bone / no projectile. Okay, so before we do that, let's just add a name and everything. Name no projectile damage description. You take no damage from projectiles. Okay, now let's go back into Minecraft. Remember to reload. Then find your origin, and you should see your ability here. Now let's just set time set night. Let's get the skeleton. Spawn him, and boom. Okay, it should just bounce straight off you. Yes, you should take no damage. Okay, so that's basically it. But since we have so much time left, let's add another power. This power is going to shoot a projectile. So shoot arrow. Okay, let's just rename that to .json. And then here we're gonna do type fire projectile. And here we're gonna do entity type and Minecraft arrow. Then we're gonna do cooldown. Let's just set it to okay. So this just doesn't, the cooldown is not in seconds, it's in ticks, and each second is 20 ticks. So 2 seconds is going to be 40 ticks. Now if you want a cooldown bar, then go ahead and do this. Make sure to set it to true. Sprite location. So in here you can go ahead and pick like you can pick a bar from a few places, so I'll just use the normal. And if you want to check out all the bars, you just hover your mouse over that and click that, and then here you should see every bar. So let's see, origins, textures. So our bar should be this bar. Now you can look through all of these. I will be using I'll be using another bar. So just find a bar you like. I'll be using the bone right here, or no, I'll be using the arrow. I'll just use the sword. So okay, so let's check what this bar is. So it's tab bar, so just copy this and just put it in here. And now to actually choose which bar you want, like from all of these, you're gonna have to count them. So I'll show you how to count them. So it starts from the first bar, not that bar, but the first bar. So the first bar is 0. Then it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and upwards. In my case, it's 1. So we're gonna do bar index 1. Should add you know, a little bar. And now we can change the speed, the sound of them. I'll just set the speed to 5. And boom! That's basically our projectile ability. Just go ahead and add the projectile. Shoot arrow. Make sure to give it a name. I'll just do bow forged. Description: you can shoot an arrow using here. Okay, you can shoot an arrow. But okay, so now, okay, so we're not actually done. We have to add the key. I forgot about the key, so just do key, that, key, just, okay. So if you search on the wiki for key, you should find keybinds, and here it should show everything. So I'll just use the primary key, and we're gonna put it into here. And then continuous, so if you set continuous to true, you're able to hold in that button. So if you set it to false, you can only click it once. Okay, so now let's try it out. So let's reload. Okay, make sure to choose your origin again, and you should see it here. Boom. Now you're able to shoot it. There's a 2-second cooldown. Yes, you can make the cooldown even less if you want to, by just changing that number. And yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Bye.